Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach on how to register for a new voter ID. Let me share my screen with you. First of all, you need to launch the browser and type in the URL voters.eci.gov.in. Once you're done, you will see two options on the top right-hand corner. One, login, and second is sign up. If you're the first time user, just sign up, create your login ID and password, and then you're good. If you already have a login ID and password, you can hit login and use your login ID and password, and you will see the website like this. On this, you will see yourself as logged in, and you will see the options of Form 6, Form 6A, Form 7, and Form 8. For a new voter ID registration, you need to click on Fill Form 6 and then go through the following steps. First of all, you need to select your state and then your district and then your assembly constituency. Once you're done, just hit next and go to the next section. Next section is asking for first name followed by middle name and then the surname. And after that, you need to choose a file for your photograph and upload your photograph here. Once you upload your photograph, you will get a message saying human face detected. Once that is done, you can click on next for the next section. In this section, you need to fill up the details of your relative, father, mother, husband, or wife, or any legal guardian. And following the same naming convention, first name, middle name, and surname. And then you need to hit next. After that, you need to provide your details. If you have got a mobile number, you need to click on self and enter the mobile number here. If you don't have a mobile number, then you need to click on relative mentioned above and give his or her phone number here. Once you enter the mobile number, just click on send OTP. Within 10 seconds, you will receive an OTP on your cell phone number. Enter the same here. You only have 120 seconds to enter. After 120 seconds, it gets expired, and then you need to again generate the OTP. So then you click on verify, and you'll see it change to verified. And then you can enter your email ID, which is optional, and then enter the next. Click on Aadhaar number and enter the Aadhaar number details here, and then click on next. Then identify your gender, then next, and then your date of birth. Make sure you don't make any mistakes and cross check the day, month, and year is accurate. And then you need to provide the proof of your date of birth. And there are various options: Aadhaar, PAN, passport, and other details. Select the right option and upload the file, which is in the PDF format or JPG or PNG. Upload that address proof here if it is Aadhaar or any other document, and then click on next. After this, you have to provide your location and address with house, building, apartment number, and society name, and then street, area, locality, and then village, town, and then post office and pin code, and then tehsil, and then you need to enter your district and the name of the state. Then you have to click on document for proof of residence, which can be again Aadhaar card or electricity bill or passport or passbook of a nationalized bank, etc. Select the right option, choose the file from your folder, which is again a PDF or PNG or JPG format. If it is Aadhaar, choose that Aadhaar as your proof of address and then click on next. This section is optional. It's only for those who are having disability and they need special services. You can leave it blank if you don't need it and then click on next. Here you can fill up the details of your family member who already has a voter ID at the residence where you are residing currently. Name and relationship, it can be parents or spouse or children, and their voter ID number. That's called EPIC number. If no one has got any voter ID at your residence so far, then you can leave it blank and go to the next. Here, you again need to fill up your village, town, state, and this one is optional. And then the number of years you have been staying at this residence. You can select the date here, and then place where you are filling up this form from, and then next. Then make sure you refresh this captcha, enter the right captcha here, and then preview and submit. Once you hit the preview and submit, you will see your all the details from top to bottom. Make sure you run through all the details and see there are no mistakes done. In case you find that there is a correction to be done, you will see an option at the lower portion of the form which says keep editing. So click on keep editing. You will come back to this page and then make the correction at the right place. And then again, you can preview and submit. And if there is no correction, you can just click on the submit button, which will appear at the right hand lower corner of the page. And once you submit, you will get a acknowledgement, and which you can save, and acknowledgement number can be referenced for any future inquiry of the status of your application. Hope this is useful for you. Go ahead and apply for your voter ID if you don't have it already, or you can even help your family members or neighbors and friends to do the same. Please share this with your friends and families and all the contacts in your list. And in case of any questions, you can drop a message or you can call me on 9867291515. Jazakallah khair.